Yo, what is going on, guys? Saucy was back here with Who's Your Daddy? And today joining us is your boy Seagull and also a new member, JIRO! Okay, I'm in.
You guys gotta chill. I'm
in.
Hello, brother.
What the fuck, Seagull? Wait a minute. What the fuck are you?
Hello, brother.
You... That is very concerned. Are you drinking soda?
Keep your children alive. So,
I don't know.
Guys.
Hey.
Where are you guys? Oh my gosh.
God,
Are you guys upstairs?
Seagull. No, we're
Oh
not
my gosh,
upstairs.
I just tripped over. Oh my gosh, this is what's happening?
Seagull.
Children, my babies.
Seagull. Oh god damn it. I'm stuck in the door. Okay. Give me a second. I'm attached to the door. These controls are shitty. I can't let
this
go
house,
of the door.
we have a very
Hello,
huge house,
Daddy.
guys.
Oh shit.
Hello, daddy.
Hey,
Dad,
what's up,
going
son?
on, buddy? What's going on?
Are you
Dad.
guys hungry?
Hello, Daddy.
Oh, I have a black
God.
baby, yo. Yo, what's up, dude?
Hold on, let me-
Oh, chill, man, yo. No, please.
Seagull, you got him. Seagull, go, you got him.
No.
Okay.
Hey,
Go upstairs.
hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing,
Seagull!
huh? Wait, how do I pick you up?
Oh my god! Seagull! Dude, you...
Oh.
You fucking... I can't.
Listen.
I'm just
Hey,
watching.
man, chill.
Hold on,
I'm
is
gonna
there
give you a
that
hug.
person?
Bro, I'm just fucking
Come here,
watching
man.
you.
I'm gonna give you a
bro.
hug.
Hey, bud.
No,
Give me my
stop
brother
it.
back. Give me my brother back.
God.
I just fucking lost you. Seagull, get back here. Seagull. Seagull, get back here.
No, come here.
Oh, god damn it, the batteries.
We're gonna watch some TV, son.
Hey, Dad, I got a present
Yeah.
for you.
Oh.
my god, never mind. Hey, Dad, watch me beat his ass.
Yo.
Hey, Dad, come here.
No.
No, you come here right now.
Yo, what is this, son?
Watch
What
this.
is this?
Oh,
son?
god damn it. Hold on. Give me a second here. Give me a second. All right, ready? Oh, god damn it. Okay, give me a second here. Give me a second.
Okay.
All right,
Okay, just.
I'll grab that. Give me a second here.
Daddy, I'm going to die.
Hey, Dad.
Oh,
Goodbye.
wait, what? Why are you? No.
Oh, you killed him.
No.
You killed my brother.
I'm gonna eat you.
Why is this fucking ate Seagull?
I just ate my own
What?
son. Holy shit.
Hey, buddy.
Just ate my own
Hey, Dad, you're looking.
Yo,
looking
this
a
game
little,
is so crazy.
You're looking a little weird there, buddy.
No.
Bye. Oh my god, I just vented.
No, son, where are
Bro,
you?
what the fuck? Dad, don't come in the kitchen, I swear. Don't come in the kitchen. Oh my
Where's the
God,
kitchen?
Bro.
Wait, how do I?
Yeah.
Seagull.
Get over here.
Guys, chill.
Seagull, come to the kitchen. Oh god,
Hey.
never mind. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh god, ow. Oh my god.
God
Wait.
damn. We're gonna have a dinner. Wait, we're gonna have lunch, guys.
Alright,
Come on.
okay, you create lunch, Dad. I'm just gonna... Oh my god! Hey, Dad! What's going
Yo,
on?
what's
going
up?
on with your body? Yeah, I'm just gonna play some, I'm gonna play some...
Guys, stop destroying the house. Your mom's gonna
I'm
get
gonna
mad
play
at
some
you.
Roblox, okay, Dad? I'm just gonna play some Roblox.
Okay.
Nothing unusual here. Nothing at all.
Okay. Go play some Roblox. Your brother's being. No, don't forget
Yes,
that. God damn
Seagull
it,
can
man.
be a little bad boy, but that's okay. He means well.
Come on. No, that's dirty food. You're gonna die. No.
I'm eating the chair.
All right. Yeah. You can just
I'm cleaning up.
feed, yeah, just feed Seagull. He's real hungry. Okay.
What's happening?
Nothing.
Where are you? Oh my.
Nothing at all, Dad.
No.
Nothing at all. Come on, Seagull, grab what you can. No, God damn it! Ow.
Come
I'm
on.
sorry.
Seagull, grab what you can.
Guys.
Yes, I'm in a box. Okay. Dad, I am gonna
Oh,
I ate dynamite.
Daddy,
I think I'm gonna die. Guys.
Daddy, come here. Daddy,
What?
Dad, come here. Come here, Dad. Just stand still for
No,
just a
you're
second.
gonna tase
I'm
me.
not
No.
gonna tase you. I swear. Just come here. I'm not gonna tase you. I swear. I promise on your mother's life. I'm just kidding.
No. No.
Hey, Seagull, come
I
inside.
can see you. 'Cause,
Seagull, come inside. Come inside. You'll see me.
Guys.
Go through the front door. Go through the front door.
Oh, you're riding the dog, yo, you guys, stop running around, please,
Seagull.
please.
Seagull, get off the dog
Come
for a
here.
second. Come here. Come here. Follow me. Just follow me first. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Seagull.
Guys.
Oh my god. Seagull and his magical
My son.
speed.
Your brother. Oh my god.
No, okay, Seagull, follow me.
Hey dog, are you okay?
Seagull, are you coming?
Hold on.
What the fuck are you doing, Seagull?
If I'm correct, in no logic.
Oh my god.
Ah,
Seagull, you
Wait,
just...
where are you guys?
Seagull's on fire.
Where are you?
hi there.
Seagull.
I'm being
Guys.
Dude, look
My
at you,
son
look at you.
became a
Just Seagull, just look at me, bro.
Daddy's home.
Hi, buddy. Okay, dad's coming. Fuck god. Seagull, hop on. Seagull, hop on. Hop on the whip. Okay, we're not doing anything, Dad. Oh god.
No.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. It's
Oh my
okay.
gosh, stop
Oh
breaking
god.
the house.
Oh god. Where am I going?
Ow.
Oh, I could suck you guys.
Oh wait.
That sounds so bad.
That sounded fucking hilarious. What is this? Oh my god! Hey, Seagull, I'm gonna come rescue you from Dad. Coming to get you, Seagull. I'm coming to get you. Come on up, brother.
Wait.
Hop on the whip. We're going on a trip. Hurry before Dad sees. Hurry. Hurry. Dad's coming. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on. Hop on, hop on.
I keep on tripping.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Guys,
Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
where are
Shit,
you?
he's
Oh
coming.
my gosh.
Go, 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 go.
Guys.
Go.
Guys.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh my gosh, you guys are...
Juked.
No.
Juked. Let's go.
No.
Oh god
please.
damn it. Oh my god, you just exploded the kitchen.
I did indeed.
Seagull, Seagull, get in the washer. Get in the washer, Seagull.
No.
I'll get in the dryer.
Come here.
I can't get in.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You have to, Seagull, get in the fucking washer. No, get off of me. No, get off.
Oh no.
Dang.
Yeah, you leave him alone. No, goddamn, he get off of me. Yeah, Seagull, die. It's okay. You're going to a better place. You're going to a
How
better
do I
place.
get...
Seagull.
No, he's drowning. No, please.
Bye, Dad.
No, guys, stop. Stop.
My dryer's not starting. Oh
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh bullshit. Alright.
No.
Bye, Dad.
Guys, no.
I'm gonna go
No,
bye-bye.
son, that's very bad.
Yeah,
No.
what the fuck are you doing in the floor? He's in the
No, I just fell out of the map. I just fell out of the map.
I'm in the dryer. Well, I guess I don't need to kill myself anymore. I'll just hop out of the dryer now. Close that door. Hey, Seagull. Seagull, where? Oh my god, there he is. Oh shit, get in the washer. Get in the washer. No, god damn it,
Come
get in
here,
the dryer. Don't worry, Dad can't get us.
No. Oh my gosh, please.
He's flipping all around. Seagull.
You guys are being bad boys.
Seagull, come
Please,
here.
come on.
Seagull. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, what's happening?
Seagull, where'd you go, buddy? Oh, what the fuck is happening with you?
Dad is stuck
Dad,
in
are
the
you having
doorway.
a seizure? He's just,
Yes.
Oh my god, you're just crawling. Seagull.
Come here,
Seagull,
son.
Seagull, hop on. Hurry. Seagull. No, that's the wrong person.
Oh, okay.
Seagull, it's okay.
Guys.
Okay, we're gonna be real good boys. We're just gonna go play with the dog, okay? All right, Dad? All right, cool.
Okay.
All right,
Go play with
where's
it.
okay, put Seagull down. Put Seagull down. That's not
This
fair.
guy's dead.
Seagull, okay. I'm gonna come. Okay, Seagull, hop on. Hurry. Seagull. Hop on. What are you
I
doing?
keep on tripping.
Go, Seagull.
Wait, no swimming. You guys aren't old yet.
Seagull.
Yay,
I
hey.
can see you in the
Hey.
water.
That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Hey man, JIRO. Oh my gosh, this guy
I'm a
is swimming in the
fish.
water.
I'm a
You're like
fish.
2 months. You're 2
I'm a
months old and you're...
fish.
Oh my god.
I'm a
Oh my god.
No.
Seagull died.
Come here.
No, you just
got saved.
electrocuted Seagull. This is child abuse. Brother. All right, it's the cycle of the dads. I am now the dad, and JIRO and Seagull are going to be the babies. So let's go. Hey boys, what you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey,
I'm not responding. Hang on.
no.
You're looking at
Hey,
boys.
guys.
Okay.
I'm at my crib.
Son.
I'm at my crib.
Seagull, why have you done this? Oh god damn it! I didn't know you had more ammo. Seagull, you're gonna get a spanking. Hey, buddy. Spanking for you, but ah, god damn it! How much ammo do you have? Yeah, buddy. Hey. Hey.
No.
Hey.
No.
Hey, can I
Oh
use
god
my
damn
tablet?
it!
Yo, chill.
How the
Yo,
fuck
chill.
did you do that shit?
My brother has freaking superpowers. That's crazy.
No.
Hey, like the
Bad.
That's it.
I'm
That's
just gonna
it.
use
Get over here.
No, get away from me, Seagull. Steal the bat. Alright. Hey. I can't pick you up for some reason. Why can't I pick you up? What the fuck? No, no. Put down the candle. Where you guys at? Hey, get over here. No.
Hey, Dad.
No.
Hey, Dad.
I'm bringing my toys.
You bitch. Yeah, you stay in there. All right, go to sleep. No, wait, hold on. JIRO, get down here, boy. You stay in
Hey,
there.
what's up?
Hey, you
Hey,
stay
what's
in
up,
there.
Dave?
Get down here. Oh, god damn it. Ow. No, stay in there. No, you bitch. Stay in the closet. Stay in the cupboard. You get back in the cupboard, god damn it.
No.
I'm gonna put you back in the cupboard. You bitch. Ow. No, don't eat
I love
glass.
drinking alcohol. I love drinking alcohol.
What are you drinking alcohol for? No, god damn it.